let's make a 3D elephant craft for World Elephant Day. It's awesome and even uses a recycled milk jug with some tissue paper. Cut up that tissue paper into pieces. I would cut them a little bigger than this so that it covers the milk jug more quickly if I did it again. Then draw a line around your milk jug. That'll be the base of the elephant. And then you're going to draw these little semicircles up to make 4 legs. It takes a little bit of thinking. I draw X's on there so I remember what I'm cutting off. Carefully poke a hole in the milk jug and then cut on that first circle line to cut the bottom of the milk jug off, and then cut those semicircles out to make the 4 leg areas for the elephant. Make that front one right up underneath the handle so it looks like a nose, or a trunk I should say. Then you're going to take that milk jug and place glue on it and start putting your tissue paper and covering that entire milk jug. Take your time, and then when you're finished, put glue over the tissue paper as well. It'll seal it down. And make sure you uncover the entire jug, even inside that trunk area that's the handle, and over the lid on the top. Allow that to dry, and then you're going to come back and use a couple spots of glue to glue on your googly eyes. Isn't that cute? I just love it. So we have our 3D elephant craft for World Elephant Day. You'll find a fun set of animal trivia, plus all the extra instructions are found at welcometobananas.com. Come join the fun.